If you have a collection, a charge off, a bankruptcy, eviction, student loans with late payment, child support, repossession, and you want to offer your report, you need to focus on these two things I'm going to share with you. That's going to help increase your chances of getting that account removed off your report. So you don't got to wait 7 long years. I got you. I'm going to break it all down for you so you can understand how to use it. So the credit repair hack, let's just talk about it, right? Now, most people, and this is the old way and nothing wrong with it, most people use template letters, right? Now, template letters, they work every now and then, but most likely experience and genetic facts caught on, right? So you want to leverage artificial intelligence to with your hidden report to craft a letter that Experian TransUnion Equifax has never seen before, so you can increase your chances of getting those accounts removed off of your report. All right, I'm going to share with you a specific prompt that's going to help you with this. Okay, now this specific prompt, this is the prompt you want to use. Now, the best, I believe, the best AI right now that you should be using this specific site is most people use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is good, right? But as you know, things update, things get innovated, and the one AI that you want to be using is Claude, right? If you use Claude, create your free account with Claude. Now, with Claude, the specific prompt you want to use is act act like a world-class dispute expert with 20 plus years and find violations according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act and craft me 3 letters that will remove this account, delete this account off my report without waiting 7 years based on the violations and the laws that you use. All right. And create me 3 letters. That specific prompt. And then hold on, before you click enter, right? You want to attach your credit report with it. Okay. You either attach your credit report or you find the screenshots or you screenshot every single negative account on your credit report. All right. So go to hiddencreditreport.com and get access to your report. When you log into your hidden credit report, you're going to see reports or scores at the top, whatever. You're going to click on 3B reports and scores or 3B scores, right? And you're going to have Experian TransUnion Equifax. And then you're going to click on this specific tab, switch to Classic View. Once you click on that specific tab, switch to Classic View, then you have all the accounts on your report. Now go to the collections, the repossession, the bankruptcy, the eviction, the student loans with late payment, the child support, whatever negative account that's holding your credit score back. Screenshot every single account and then go to Claude. Once you go over to Claude and you type in that specific prompt, right, that I just shared with you, you put in that prompt and you attach those screenshots, it's going to create 3 unique letters that Experian TransUnion Equifax haven't seen, and it's all based on what you have going on. And you want to make sure that the letters with every single account, you're telling them to remove the account. You're not trying to update it. You're not trying to modify the accounts. You're not trying to fix anything. You want the account removed off the report based on the violations that you found on Experian TransUnion Equifax according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, all right? We're leveraging the laws, all right? Now, I'm not a lawyer. I'm just here to show you your rights, okay? So just leverage your rights to get the account removed off your report. Now, it might take, 2 to 3 months. It might take 4 months. It might take 30 days. It depends. But you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. So craft a letter. Make sure you add 3 forms of identification. And you can forgot to tell you, and you get the letter notarized. Forgot to say to get the letter notarized because now Experian TransUnion Equifax can't say that, hey, this isn't you. Get it notarized. You can go to the bank. You can go to UPS. It does cost at UPS. You can use the library. You could ask also, you could tell you could tell Claude to add a notary on the letter so you can get it notarized. Now, if you don't want to get it notarized, make sure you add 3 forms of identifications license, proof of residency, and your social security card, right? Or your passport. whatever you want to use, add those three. Make sure you send the letter certify to ensure that Expand, TransUnion, and Equifax got the letter because they can say that they never received it. Now, it's your word against. We ain't trying to have that. Send a letter certify. Regular, go to the post office. They know what you're talking about, and then watch what happens.